Marching in a contingent demands alertness and unspoken coordination. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thudding feet stirs something within us. Besides being spectacular, there is something inexplicably inspiring about a Marchpast. It's a sense of dignity and pride the students bring to it. Please join me in observing the remarkable band guided by Shyam Sundar. Their outstanding performance will lead our school parade with elegance and energy.
Four distinctive houses, namely Gandhi, Patel, Nehru and Nethaji. A well-coordinated Marchpast is a feast to the eyes and ears when coupled with some soothing marching music.
A comprehensive Marchpast drill they spell out lays emphasis on bearing, marching, saluting and coordinating. Right in front, Master Sean Shibu of 12, the school pupil leader, guides the entire parade of cadets behind him. He is an excellent player and able leader.
Followed by Ms. Vishnupriya of grade 12. The school pupil leader is a responsible organizer, well-mannered person who is excellency in the academic records.
There comes the magnificent Gandhi house, led by the captains Mohammad Zafir and Maulana Agnes. They represent the most optimistic color, orange, which is generous and spontaneous. It creates an exhilarating, cheerful and warm environment. As they march with pride and passion, they showcase their teamwork and love towards their house. Marching right in front is Patel House, led by Captain Sai Prashant and XII. Patel refers to responsibility and good leadership. Patel team is in green. Green represents faith, fertility, prosperity and courage. Also, green is associated with nature. Patel team has a good leadership. The team has good motivators and guiders.
Presenting the Nehru House, marching majestically, dressed in the most vibrant color, maroon. It symbolizes passion, sincerity, power and strength. Led by Captains Ritik and Harshita, the spirited sportspersons. The team personifies fun, enthusiasm, stimulation and success.
The majestic Nethaji house, led by the captains Sudhakar and Sirikirti. The house is represented by the most refreshing color blue, which stands for freedom, confidence, inspiration, and loyalty. It gives a positive vibration to all the spectators. The team Nethaji pledges to never give up in the face of adversity and to always strive for success.
Oath. Oath will encourage fidelity to the extent that continues to believe that one cannot escape ultimate accountability for a breach of faith. I would like to call upon the school pupil leader along with the house captains and vice captains to take the oath.
We Sunbeamians assure that we always take part in the annual Sportsbeam in loyal competition, respecting the regulations which govern them, and desire of participating in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and glory of sports.
Thank you all.